Hey everyone, welcome back to Drama or Hum. I'm Aisha from Lahore, Pakistan.
Hey everyone, I'm Mariam from Mumbai, India. Thank you so much for all your comments and engagement. We are having a lovely time reading all those comments and also replying to them. A lot of keen observations, some things that we've also observed but probably not mentioned on the show, but we can have those discussions as we move along.
Absolutely. I think I was schooled a little bit. We were schooled a little bit on some of the drama, so we will mention those comments when we
Yeah,
go to those certain dramas. So, Mariam, do you want to start with Farah as
yeah,
usual?
of course. Yeah,
Yeah.
let's start with Farah. Yeah.
Okay.
So Farah, I'm enjoying the pace now. I think they've
Yeah.
got it right. They're focusing on the right
Yeah.
things, on the right people, stories.
Hmm.
Um, very, I like the chemistry between Buggy and Hamza. I think
Yeah.
that's a good pairing because there is that
Hmm.
chemistry.
थोड़ी सी बात शुरू करता हूँ तो आगे से ब्रेक लगाओ अपने आप को और बोलो तो मुझे खुदा का वास्ता
I thought Beach में Hamza lost his character when he was एकदम तमीज से talking, एकदम तमीज आ गई थी उसके लहजे में when he was
हाँ.
talking to Buggy. It felt like he was a character from one of other of Hamza's serial, right? Where he's very
हाँ.
clever and evil.
हाँ.
But I think the whole scene where, the guy runs, because really I was wondering how is he going to
हाँ.
escape that situation, right? So
हाँ.
it's really well timed with those people
I
coming.
think हाँ मुझे वो वाला part था ना, that reminded me of Ludo, because that
Ah,
guy is running and then that car comes,
hmm,
and instantly I was taken back to that because I thought that was very clever. That was a very
hmm.
clever way of incorporating the other story and
Exactly.
showing that yes, they're all in the, coming, they're all like getting together now.
Huh, huh.
Huh.
So I thought, I mean, most of that episode was focused on the Gao wala scene, which is good
Huh.
because two stories progressed, right? That was a good
Yeah.
thing. Both their stories progressed in a right way.
Hmm.
They even showed that conversation with what's his name, Babrik, who's in the truck.
Huh.
And very interestingly, in the next episode ka promo, they show his fiance also on the
Yeah.
so
That was very sweet. Yeah.
very cool. So that was good.
Huh.
So yeah, I mean, I honestly I don't want to, it's almost like I don't want to criticize because it's
Huh.
like, ठीक है यार, like करने के लिए हो सकता था ये वो, but I found the
Huh.
show, the overall episode very good.
Huh.
I wish though they had shown instead of the nurse, I wish they had shown Mohsin and Mohsin Beg
And
and
our inspector,
our inspector.
Fasi.
Because I would have
Huh.
liked them all
For
at
them
the
to be
same
coming all together. Huh.
timeline. Not
Huh.
together, but at least we are following the timeline there as well. Because they've left
Huh.
Karachi, and Karachi to this is not as far as Lahore to this place.
Huh.
Or I don't know where this place
Yeah.
is. Is it
So
closer to
I so I
Lahore?
I not yeah, so this place is kind of somewhere in between. They haven't really kind of,
Yeah.
mentioned, but I
Huh.
think it's somewhere like in between.
Hmm.
I've also realized that with this drama, when
Hmm.
they focus on one track,
Hmm.
they get it right.
Hmm.
The pacing is right, the intensity builds up, all of that happens. And now, because the stories are coming together, so there is a donkey part, there is a
I was
donkey,
waiting
there
on
is a
तुम्हारा
donkey.
कब होगा ये done?
हाँ,
क्योंकि वो लोग
but
छोड़ेंगे
now,
नहीं. I think
but exactly, but when now that the stories are coming together, then the pace will pick up and it'll become more even paced. अब वो नहीं होगी चीज के, एक story यहाँ पर है और दूसरी यहाँ पर है. So
हाँ,
so I think that is what really helped my viewing experience as well.
yeah.
The only thing, it's not a criticism, but the only thing I really struggle with in Farrar आजकल, जिससे सारे frames होते हैं ना वो इतने dimly lit होते हैं कि I struggle so much to find a photo for the cover photo for the video, for the review video, because
Um,
if you brighten it too much, it looks totally out of sync with the other ones. So I knew that was a side point.
huh,
But I really enjoyed the intensity of the episode.
hmm.
Again, when Faraz का मुझे, I wasn't sure. I thought कि Faraz would die, कि वो मर जाएगा.
नहीं, वो तो
Um,
पता था मुझे नहीं मरेगा क्योंकि टीजर में there are things which had not happened. So, I knew that he's still going to be alive.
Okay, so I didn't like I was expecting when I was watching कि वो
हाँ,
मर जाएगा.
नहीं.
What I wasn't expecting was कि he will kill Balli, and Balli will die also. I thought like maybe at some point Balli at least would fight back, या थोड़ा बच जाएगा when he sees Faraz, especially when Faraz comes back. I didn't think that that would just be like such a blunt end to Balli's character, especially because पिछली episode में, as he was saying, वो 6 minute का दिखाया था ना scene with his close-ups with Buggy. So I thought like that was a bit like they took us to that point where like the only conversation Buggy and Balli have now had is where Balli says I wasn't, मैंने शादी नहीं की.
हाँ.
And then he dies. And for somebody जिसका entire character arc was based on बग्गी के पीछे आना कराची, उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश करना, फिर मतलब इतना वो हीर रांझा के वो उसमें हीर पढ़ना बार बार, और वो 6 minute का scene where he's so stuck on, like where he's so awestruck by seeing her again कि वो
Yeah.
कुछ बोल ही नहीं पा रहा, वो सारा कुछ करके I felt कि एक तो उसको पहले scene में ही मार दिया, ठीक है, पहले कुछ मिनट में ही बल्ली को मार दिया. एंड सेकेंडली आई ऑल्सो फेल्ट इट वाज अ लिटिल बिट बेचारे के साथ थोड़ा सा हैंड ही हुआ है, क्योंकि व्हेन ही सेज टू जब वो बग्गी इवेंचुअली भाग के आती है बातिश के पास, और वो कहता है कि ये फोटो, एक तो वो छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है
वो
कंटिन्यूटी
फोटो
की,
मैच नहीं
पर
हो रहा है.
वो फोटो मैच नहीं हो रहा था. हाँ, तो आई वाज लाइक आपने इतना किया था, वो फोटो भी मैच कर देते.
हाँ.
खैर एकदम वो फोटो नहीं मैच होता.
और वो लोग
सेकेंडली
बल्ली
व्हेन
नहीं दिखाते बग्गी के साथ. They don't
हाँ
show Balli with Buggy because it's very obvious that at the
वो
time.
फिर हाँ एज ग्रैप का, उसे उसकी आवाज होती है,
हाँ.
पर अब उसमें लाइक वो इतना बोलता है हाँ ये मुझे बली के वॉलेट से मिला. एंड शी गोज लाइक हाँ बली मुझे पसंद करता था, मुझे कभी आइडिया ही नहीं था. मतलब वो पूरा बली का जो कैरेक्टर था, जो हम पिछली
Seriously,
17-18 एपिसोड से देख रहे थे,
yeah.
कि मतलब I was like really what
Yeah.
तो
That
आई
was
डोंट नो अगर कोई बली की और फ्लैशबैक्स आएंगे या नहीं, बट दे डिड हिम डर्टी बेसिकली.
I mean,
कैरेक्टर अच्छा बनाया था, पर आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे डिड विद हिम इन दिस
maybe
एपिसोड.
that's why they made him sing and all in the last episode because he was
हाँ
going to die,
हाँ
probably.
that was one of the things that I thought कि अच्छा इसीलिए इसको 6 minute का footage दिया था पिछली एपिसोड में, because that was like his last and main scene basically
I
in the
mean,
show.
what they could have done. See, I knew that he would choose Faraz over Balli.
हाँ
That was very
हाँ
easy to understand. But what
हाँ
maybe they could have done is, when he's like strangling him, usko sirf behosh karta, and then
हाँ
they could have run off, right? But
yeah
yeah, I mean, maybe they
थोड़ा सा
also
उसका
used
कुछ
for his character. So I guess they,
हाँ
because they need to develop Buggy and
हाँ
what's his name?
हाँ
Bati's
बातिश
story, right?
हाँ
So feel
बी स्क्वेयर्ड. हाँ वैसे तो
yeah,
बल्ली भी बी से ही था.
that's
I did yeah I did think that हमजा की जो इस एपिसोड में परफॉर्मेंस थी ना, लाइक ऑनेस्टली द लास्ट few episodes I was thinking कि हमजा ने ये प्रोजेक्ट चूज भी क्यों किया है, क्योंकि उसका रोल मुझे पहले बली जितना ही लग रहा था. I was like कि तो कोई भी कर सकता था, right? Like why is he coming back on to TV drama serials and all of that in this character?
yeah,
But this episode, like you saw so many intensities and so many different expressions from him.
variation.
एक
Yeah, yeah.
exactly शुरू में जब वो उसको मार रहा था, and then I was very surprised actually the way he was flirting with Buggy. Like that was like they had such good chemistry. उसकी
I don't
जो
think it was flirting, but I think
हाँ I mean
that banter was
yeah
really good.
हाँ
There was
yeah.
something like
And both actors matched each
yeah,
other's energy ना.
yeah,
जिस
yeah.
सादिया के लिए वो कराची से छोड़कर आए हैं, उसके साथ तो एक ऐसा डायलॉग भी नहीं था कि जिसमें हमें
Yeah.
फील हो कि oh I really want Batish and Sadia to end up together.
I
But
liked
Buggy
the fact that they had met in the bus, and
that
that
was
was
very
a good way to show, it was not कि अचानक
हाँ
बात कर रहे हैं, because she has like that connection कि I know these people.
exactly I thought that was very smartly put in क्योंकि पहले मुझे लगा कि they have cut from this scene to them all escaping in the bus. And then I was like, no, itni important conversation they can't skip over.
Mm.
But again, I like Buggy because I love Buggy's character. Like, she doesn't immediately, like, say, अच्छा, okay, you're gonna save me, ये वो नहीं, वो उनको पहले पूरा interrogate करती है, अपनी तसल्ली करती है,
Mm.
and combined with the fact that she had seen them in the bus, she's
Mm.
like, okay, ठीक है, and then she's like, कहाँ जा रहे हो? I'm also going to go
Mm.
with you.
Correct.
So she's already went on that. Then she goes back to the house also. She's also smartly,
Correct.
like, saved the money and everything. The
उस
mother's
भाई को
acting.
पैसे नहीं मिले, चप्पल मिल गई.
हाँ,
तो मैं
अच्छा, मुझे यही हुआ, मैंने कहा वो चप्पल तो किसी की भी हो सकती है. It's not like they had like really emphasized or
Exactly.
focused on that white
Yeah.
चप्पल. It's not like some Cinderella shoe that हमने देखा है and we're like, oh, ये बग्गी की चप्पल है. Could have been the mother's
पैसे नहीं
also.
मिले उसको, बैग भर के पैसे.
हाँ, कुछ और मिलता ना like बग्गी का, तो I would have thought कि अच्छा, okay. But the
That's
white
what
chappal.
because it was weird, because the moment he found the chappal, he should have actually continued looking for more things, because their main concern is not buggy, their main concern is the evidence. तो अगर
Exactly.
उनको evidence मिल जाता तो उन्हें
हाँ,
बग्गी गई भाड़ में, right? Like,
exactly. उनको पैसे चाहिए थे, वो tapes चाहिए थे.
हाँ.
हाँ. And then, like, and then the mother is amazing because she gets them
Yeah,
down
I think the
together.
presence of
Oof,
mind is like to
uska, I don't think we'll see more of her, but
have.
it'll be a shame.
Mm,
It'll be a shame because she was definitely one of the most interesting characters.
mm.
Now though अब वो बात थोड़ा सा मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि those brothers then called that other guy to find Buggy. They called somebody in the middle of the night to
So
say
basically, that Seth will call the Shakura.
Bali.
No, he'll
Shakura?
call the guy. Yeah, and because in the you see it in the promo, they all basically gathered at his house.
अच्छा, okay, so basically मैंने ना promos जो है ना वो देखने थोड़े कम कर दिए थे because especially ये जो फरार का promo होता है ना, it kind of gives you like a quick preview of the entire episode. Okay, so he's calling Shakura. Because वो part मैंने देखा था, I don't know which teaser then I did see, जिसमें she says to Shakura कि now हाँ, greedy नहीं हो, मतलब ये मुझे भी लेके चलो या क्या. Okay, so they're gonna keep following these people.
Yeah.
Interesting. I mean, we didn't really see anything except उस teaser में जो मैंने देखा था उसमें था मोहसिन बेग और उसका फसी का थोड़ा सा part where they're heading. But otherwise we didn't see the two of them. I really enjoyed the episode.
Yeah, I enjoyed it as well. I'm happy now that it's going forward and आगे चल रहा है.
हाँ, and obviously we got the token Babrik scene. Babrik का वो एक आधा scene आना होता है हर चीज में. तो उसका वो एक आधा
आने वाला है ना वो इसलिए.
Exactly. And then also we got the nurse वाला scene. Our favorite nurse was back. I don't know, maybe that's the end of her now. Like वो भी शायद कुछ दिखाएंगे, but again, that is probably the link from QIP to Faraz.
No, it's basically keeping the link between Faraz and her because he needs to go back to her.
Exactly. उसका कुछ दिखाएंगे कि either he wants to go back or she decides to also come along or something of that sort. And because वो भी main actress है, पता है, she's not like a nobody actress. She is a decent enough
actress. Fiancés.
It's a family vacation, not Europe.
पूरी
और वो बब्रिक की भी आ गई. Mr. and Mrs. Babrik, then Buggy and Batish, then Faraz and his wife. अब वो बेचारी फंसी की उधर रह गई है.
बस ये सब.
Exactly. बहुत ज़्यादा couples are going together, so that is. But overall, I would definitely say like it was a very enjoyable episode. One of my favorites in recent times.
I think both last episode and this episode were very good.
हाँ, thankfully. And also, I was thinking हम बार-बार कह रहे थे कि 2 episodes होनी चाहिए. With this episode, if there were another episode, then maybe it would have been too much. I don't know. I got that feeling that okay, like with this pace, it's good. Fine to it's fine to give us one episode.
You were satisfied. You had
exactly. I'd had my fill, and I was like, "Chalo, ab agle hafte dekhenge." Perfect. Should we move on to Karze
now
Jaan
the one with the 2 episodes on the
the one with the 2 episodes. I mean, it was intense.
Yeah,
हाँ
मुझे
एग्जैक्टली
ऐसा
इंटेंस
लगा,
था
इतना इंटेंस एपिसोड
मुझे
ना, एकदम, बाप
like
रे।
you know I know you messaged me after watching it कि, you know you're getting anxious
Yeah, I was feeling
like it was
anxiety
just
literally.
हाँ
हाँ,
वही था कि you know we're so now used to that softness and एकदम से you know we see all this I mean the episode was really for me you know mother daughter and that
the four
Bakhtiar
people,
builder
and
Bakhtiar builder just
yeah,
हाँ
बख्तियार
coming
बिल्डर का नाम तुमने सही चूज किया है,
like
बख्तियार
he like yeah imagine how like he was giving me like the
creeps,
creeps
creeps,
yeah
like creep.
yeah he was
Especially वो in the beginning where he's like तुम्हारे पे पहला हक मेरा बनता है, and I was like
yeah
तुम पे पहला हक मेरा था।
creep, creep alert, creep alert, creep
yeah
alert.
yeah I
Yeah,
was actually scared
I think one of those scenes in that first episode was amazing in the bedroom where she is facing off with Bakhtiar Builder and she just stands there,
yeah
stares at him,
yeah
where she's
the
like,
way she looks at him
where she,
and
हाँ,
he says something about the mother and he says कि मेरी माँ के बारे में आप ऐसे बात नहीं कर सकते
बड़े अब्बू प्लीज मेरी अम्मी के लिए आप ऐसी कोई बात नहीं करेंगे
yeah, और
um
पिछले सब खाते खुलेंगे, you know, and
हाँ
he's like staring, she's staring, and
yeah
not one eyelid she bats, you know.
हाँ
It's
yeah
hats off to her, like,
hats off to her and also जिस तरह से उस पूरे scene में they build up that tension
hmm.
you know you're actually scared for her and when he gets up to you know to hit
It's
her
her.
like every हाँ सब लोग आगे you know everybody kind of comes आगे
ज्यादती हुई तो ज्यादती के सारे पुराने खाते खुलेंगे
तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? तो बोल, बात पे जबान खींच लूंगा मैं तुम्हारी। समझी?
to save her I thought like I'm enjoying the shift in his wife's character वो जो बीनिश की माँ है अमार और बीनिश की जो अम्मी है उसके character में I'm enjoying the shift she's taking a bit more of a stand I also thought that you know Amar taking like I think that was like fodder for everybody who's like shipping Nashwa and Amar because like when Amar tries to stop the father you know he comes in and then the father like
Yeah,
and then the mother also knows that Amar is going to be in trouble so she asks him to leave the room as well
correct.
because that was a scene where it was basically Bakhtiar who takes up the mantle जैसे पिछले वाली में episode में दादी थी ना
Correct.
who was like non-stop and the main antagonist and villain इसमें it was more
ये
Bakhtiar
दोनों episode में it was Bakhtiar the builder
हाँ
was the key villain, right? Because
हाँ
even that other scene in the Qabristan where he's just
हाँ
wearing the glares and just staring
yeah
at her,
yeah
that
but you
outside
know
of the,
he's staring right
yeah,
you
you
know
know
he's
he's
staring
staring at
behind that
Bisma that time, and then outside again there's a face-off between
हाँ
him and Nashwa, right? Now, what I really loved is Yumna's acting in both. Like, she's an amazing actor, but in
हाँ
these two episodes, there is this mix of this brave, trying to be very brave and fierce. Then there's this happiness, you know, especially when she's speaking to the nanny. She's like, "You're invited, come to the wedding." And her
yeah
smile after she hangs up turns into this slight frown, if you
yeah
notice, right? Because she
हाँ
is happy, but then she's also worried about whatever she has put herself, whatever she's promised this
हाँ
Bhaktiyar builder, right?
hmm
Because obviously in that dark room, late night conversation, something happened. One to was
something
obviously property transfer that he
हाँ
must have told that Mark की सब property चाहिए.
exactly
Second, God knows, must be this Ammar marriage,
हाँ
right?
I think it is the Ammar marriage as well because पहले मुझे लगा जब वो I was surprised जब वो property office में जाते हैं तो I thought oh ये चीज थी
Hmm.
was this the thing and then I was like नहीं you know Nashwa's reaction was way more than just for property and
Hmm.
also I you know as you said Yumna's acting was so good because you know from when she hugs the mother
Yeah,
and you know जब वो माँ को कह रही होती है and her face from before she hugs
yeah.
and when after she hugs और वो पीछे का back angle दिखाते हैं like you can tell कि
The
she's you know
anguish,
she's
you
scared
know,
हाँ
yeah.
but she's scared as well like she's
Hmm.
not showing anybody but वो खुद भी डरी हुई है कि ये मतलब you know what am I doing and have I bitten off more than I can chew
Yeah,
right
yeah, yeah.
um So that but again I thought I thought that was very cute actually Bisma की जो acting थी इसमें इस इन दो में because Bisma को तो नहीं इस तरह से idea ना कि क्या क्या
नहीं
हुआ है
नहीं
उसको
नहीं
नहीं idea so her scene with Asim was very cute you know
फोन पे
where
फोन
Asim
वाला हाँ
phone pay
वो वाला
exactly phone pay was you know
हाँ
very sweet that part
हम्म,
आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मुझे एहसास हुआ जो दरमियान आते हैं एक मजबूत कड़ी होते हैं
then her other interactions with the mehndi जब वो मेहंदी लगाने आती
हम्म,
है
हम्म।
you know when
Sana,
she's just holding the dupatta
Sana is back in the scene.
Sana is back she's back when she's needed you don't understand she's the MVP dude she
शादी
comes when nobody else is there to do the work basically she's part-time lawyer and full-time wedding helper for this family so she's back but I thought that was all interesting the one thing that I didn't enjoy very much and I thought lacked consistency
yeah.
were the scenes between Nashwa and Burhan.
No,
Because
actually, really?
so I thought कि, you know शुरू में the शुरू का scene where she says कि you know दिल का काम है blood pump करना पर you know लोग उससे पता नहीं क्या क्या करवाते हैं
सारे से पता नहीं क्या क्या काम ले रहे होते हैं
then in the middle I thought like you know like she almost like you know she's good to him and then she goes a little bit curt and then you know she's again nice to him and then so it's for me it was a bit you know even if she's playing at that you know at some other thing and she doesn't want to give him more hope and all that
Hmm.
in that sense then the first scene doesn't make sense where they're all sat terrace bay in the moonlight and you know she's giving him smiles and giving him looks then
No, actually, I thought in this whole 2 episodes, she's very
ha
consistently pushing him away, and he is very consistently trying to pursue her and trying to talk to her at every given chance he can match.
ha
Like वो घर जाता है, feels like मैं नशवा से update लेता हूँ. The daddy
ha
also kind of latches on that he
ha
likes her. And then
ha
he again calls her next day morning saying, are you okay? And she's like,
ha
you're constantly looking at me like some CCTV camera towards
yeah
my face.
yeah
And then in the night, the teasing is clearly like saying that, that people are putting too much emotion into things, they need to be much more less emotionless. Even in the Mehendi, she cuts him off when he's like, so she's being very consistently trying to push him away because in some way she needs to, I guess, make that space between them because she likes him, right? But she knows what
yeah
is to come. I thought she's
yeah
not
ha
flirting. She's
no, no,
actually.
not flirting, but you know, she for me like I saw it differently. मुझे you know लग रहा था कि कुछ scenes में she's softer towards him
Hmm.
versus other scenes where you know where she's straight up like you know pushing him away. Um, so that was one thing. Actually, you know, a question for audiences as well. Like, what did you think about Burhan and Nashwa? Like, you know,
Hmm.
how did you read those scenes and that interaction between them? Um,
I really like the scene between Burhan and Faryal, where
that coffee wala.
she's like, where he comes back very upset,
Ha,
right, from his
yeah,
conversation, and she's like, Nashwa will have to take a stand, and clearly trying to tell him that you don't need to, you should not worry about her or whatever.
hmm,
I like the scene because Faryal is reading the situation.
yeah,
Burhan is also trying to kind of like not give her any hope either way, right?
ha,
So
ha.
वो
Because
अच्छा
now everybody knows now. Now he also
scene
knows that she's interested.
है.
She knows that he knows. So obviously there is that part as well. There is
Hmm.
one person though who's unfazed by everything that is happening, and that's Kutsia.
She's so excited to
She's just gleeful.
yeah, exactly.
She's yeah, like you know, she's just too excited.
Yeah.
You know
I
about the
love the
Shivani, about the
relationship.
Mehendi ke thal, about
Yeah.
her cheese. She's like, I'm so happy.
But I love that relationship with Asim, and it's such a
Yeah.
lovely relationship. Yeah, they're like
हाँ
kind of cousin, like Banish for Nashwa
हाँ
and Kutsia for Asim
हाँ
and
और
Bismillah.
अच्छा है ना कि even though it's different genders, like they haven't shown any kind of negativity or tension or anything of that sort in that equation. जैसे असल में cousins होते हैं, पाकिस्तानी ड्रामों में मोस्टली लाइक cousins में वो शादी का सीन डाल देते हैं, तो इसलिए there is always awkwardness.
But because
बहुत
they don't
कम
like the same person, na, ऐसे नहीं कि they fight
हाँ
the same cousin, इसलिए.
हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ, so that was definitely, that's refreshing to see. But I love, like, और कोई हो ना, और कुछ हो ना हो रहा, कुत्सिया
ये हो रही है.
हमेशा
हाँ, हाँ.
हमेशा वो खुश होती है.
मुझे,
But again,
yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
no, I was just, I was, no, you go ahead.
What I still find confusing, the one character,
हाँ
and I think consistently, is Ammar.
हाँ
Oh, फिर the mother with the scene with the mother where he's super soft and trying to
yeah
understand the mother's problem, and then with the scene with the father suddenly एकदम तमीज से अच्छा आप बताइए क्या है, like
हाँ
that whole dynamic with the father and son, the office, was
yeah
very non what they've shown so far.
हाँ
So far the father is just ordering him and he's just getting like annoyed,
yeah
and
yeah
this was like a very calm conversation.
exactly.
For me
हाँ
was odd again. And then his expression of seeing Nashwa and Burhan talking, like he
yeah
didn't, why does he care? He's not the kind of person
yeah
who cares.
I think that followed the conversation with the father though, because मुझे लगता है because that conversation with the father was after the deal, the property deal, and नशवा की जो सारी बात हो गई भी थी. So
Mm-hmm.
obviously Nashwa is probably playing at the fact कि she's saying कि मैं माँ से शादी कर लूंगी, but you get Bisma married first. Now Nashwa on the other hand has told Amar कि मैं शादी से ना कर दूंगी, but तुम मेरा साथ देना. So probably the father has said to Amar कि you're the stupid one here, और वो smart है because उसने अपना भी secure कर लिया है, ठीक है, और वो तुम्हें stupid बना रही है. And Amar is now seeing कि actually
Yeah.
ये तो उससे because it's very clear कि वो he can see कि they are both interested in each other और वो एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. So now Amar का incentive ये probably होगा कि I don't know what he has been promised by the father, probably like autonomy या whatever, इज्जत or whatever, कि
इज्जत तो
he
उसको
हाँ
मिलने से वो तो
he
छूट
probably thinks that he can redeem himself in front of the father and show himself to be also a strong person.
man.
Yeah, exactly, his masculinity by making sure that A, he marries Nashwa, and B, that he keeps her in her place, kind of a
Right,
thing.
right.
So and again, I do agree with you in the fact that when you're showing, like, why are you giving us such mixed signals? I understand that some characters can be gray, but this is really confusing. This is not really gray, because in some points you give us this kind of uska, and then again super soft with the mother.
क्या हो, किसी ने आपको कुछ कहा है?
And
sitting with
suddenly,
her.
normally he doesn't even care what the mother thinks
Yeah,
or feels or
yeah.
anything. Today, तो आप बताइए and अच्छे से हाथ
हाँ,
रखिए and ये. So I thought this is very odd. Like
yeah,
she
like
could have been
पूरे
just ranting to him. That would have
yeah.
been a better scene. Like,
Even the dialogues, or the way he said
yeah,
those dialogues could have been different.
yeah,
But this almost feels like a different character. Then him just sitting there and just like throughout the episode, he was shown in a very positive light. पहले वो नशा को protect करने की कोशिश करता है. Then he's just sat with her. There is, although like I can see that there is some kind of fondness, and tell me if you think the same way, that he's now developing for Nashwa, because when Nashwa says to him कि पहले ये कर दो, पहले मेरी माँ की शादी हो जाने दो, then मैं इनकार करूंगी. It's almost like there is something that happens to his face, where for a second he's almost like, oh, maybe I don't want the inkar anymore, or something of that sort.
I mean, that would be very awkward. Like,
अम्मी की जब शादी होगी ना, इनकार मैं तभी करूँगी.
the I
हाँ
think the one thing I see is maybe admiration because she stood
हाँ
up to the father, so he's like, oh
yeah
my God, how did she? I cannot stand
हाँ
up to him, and she stood. So there's some
हाँ
admiration for that.
हाँ
But like shadi, I mean, why don't people understand that shadi is not like a small thing? Like this is turning out to be कि चलो यार खाना खाने
हाँ
चले जाएंगे ऐसा थोड़ी ना है.
हाँ
This is a
I
life.
would I would honestly be very I wouldn't like it, and I think it would be very out of character if they do now show कि नशवा जो है वो अमार से शादी कर लेती है, because I want this to be like a smart power play from her side,
Yeah,
that she hasn't promised marriage. Maybe she has promised that she will defend Amar in
yeah.
court, or
Hmm.
that she, I don't know, कुछ उसने और ऐसा किया हो, but अगर उसने शादी के लिए हाँ कर दिया ना इस सब में, knowing कि now बिस्मा की शादी हो जाएगी, because nobody is stopping her now, right?
And
So
one of the comments that was there, okay, with which I agreed with on day one, that why are
हाँ
they bound to this family? Bismarck
yeah
can just get up and cross the house and pray nikah
yeah
and do whatever she
हाँ
wants. She's a
yeah
free woman. Why
yeah
are they bound? Like that was a very smart
ना तो
comment.
ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके मतलब पता नहीं कितनी प्रॉपर्टीज वगैरह क्या है, अब तो वो भी साइन ऑफ कर दिया,
जो
राइट?
भी
अब
हो
तो
यार
वो भी
पैसे के
ट्रांसफर
लिए
कर दिया,
like Asim is well settled. Burhan is well settled.
एंड
Just
शी इज
take
ग्रोन
your
अप.
daughter, suitcase, cross the
हाँ,
road, चले
एंड
जाओ.
जस्ट गो. It's not like they will bring guns and gunmen and kidnap you back.
या
They
फिर
won't do
पता है
that.
यूएस चले जाओ. अरे
हाँ.
बेस्ट. चले जाओ कनाडा यूएस
कुछ
कहीं
भी
भी.
कर सकते हो आप, राइट? लाइक आप पूरी की पूरी फैमिली. सो आई genuinely don't understand कि वो what is holding her back, and I would be really upset if they kind of play at the fact that one thing I was thinking that they could play at is the fact that they will say that Nashwa is वो जैसे अपने चाचा को भी ताया को भी कहती है कि मैं भी
हाँ, मैं खातून हूँ.
हाँ, मैं भी इसी घर का हिस्सा हूँ, और मैं भी जब वादा कर लेती हूँ तो मैं
खातून
आई
का
स्टिक टू
खून
दैट.
है. या
हाँ. सो लाइक मे बी लाइक अब वो ईगो की क्वेश्चन आ जाएगी कि शील से कि अच्छा मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था तो अब मैं करूंगी शादी. बट अगेन लाइक नशफा इज नॉट शोन टू बी somebody like that, right? And again, Bisma would never agree to that, knowing how what she has gone through in this household, just for like
yeah, and I don't
हाँ
understand why isn't she using Burhan as a person to bounce off the idea with?
yeah
Like
he's a
why
lawyer and he's
is
like
he so
much
available? He
हाँ
is so
yeah
available.
so, to her
Yeah, and she could just say, look,
हाँ
I'm really struggling with this, and I have, let's find a clever way. Unless she thinks
yeah.
he's not clever, which is also could be a
But also, actually ये बड़ा valid point है, क्योंकि पहले जब वो जैसे वो for example before she gets into that accident, when she's coming down the stairs, and
Hmm.
she's like bouncing off everything off of him, कि इनको बेल क्यों मिली, इनको बेल नहीं मिलनी चाहिए थी, ये तो मुझे ये लगा, like so there is that relationship between them where they can discuss
Hmm.
factual things, right?
Hmm.
So, and I don't understand, like even if she does get Burhan involved in this whole thing कि अच्छा मैं अभी के लिए ये शादी करवाने के लिए ये कर रही हूँ, you back off for some time, or even if he doesn't address that part.
Yeah, but I mean, he is already involved. See, the thing is, it's not like some third person, right? She's not asking Sana
Exactly.
or I don't know, some
Exactly.
girl in the office. Burhan is already part of the equation because
हाँ
uske baba और मेरी माँ की शादी हो रही है.
हाँ
He is all in for this marriage. So she goes and
yeah
says, look, you know what? This is this scene, and I'm going to do A,
yeah
B, C, D, and I need some kind of like
हाँ
protection, something, right?
exactly.
Conversation you can have.
वो इतना बहादुर, उसको फर्स्ट एपिसोड में गोली लगी थी, याद है? और he was unfazed. The other thing I felt like a bit strange was that she's shown to be so close to like an Asim or a Bijan. ठीक है, मुझे समझ आता है कि वो बिस्मा से बात नहीं कर सकती because Bisma would freak out at this stage, ठीक है?
Mhm, mhm.
But even a Bijan is talking to everybody and saying कि ओ नशवा और अमार की शादी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Why hasn't she yet addressed this with Nashwa herself? मतलब बीजान वहां पे बिस्मा का रिश्ता ले गई, बुरहान को कह रही है कि मेरा तो दिल चाह रहा है कि मैं नशवा को भी मांग लूं,
Mhm,
एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा.
mhm.
Why can't she just like call Nashwa and say कि you know, I know this is happening, but just know that we are there for you, or something of that sort.
I don't know.
Um,
This is very, I mean,
हाँ,
unless they're just worried ke next day दोनों को गोली मार देंगे or something, which, you know, like she's worried for her life. I don't know. I just find some of this, you know, some places she's making these decisions alone, and
हाँ,
maybe in the end we'll come to know she was super smart, and
हाँ.
which is
Yeah,
fine.
I hope so. I hope
Yeah.
so. I mean, so far the writing and the direction has been so good that I want to be surprised. And you know, like in 2 episodes time, like next week when we are talking, I want to say, yeah, like you know what a twist. ये
Yeah,
चीज देखने वाली
twist
थी.
चाहिए मुझे, twist चाहिए,
हाँ, कुछ
twist
ऐसा.
चाहिए यार.
अगर
हाँ.
if this goes the same way as every other drama, then you know what's the point? आपने इतना build up किया, इतना amazing किया.
I don't want her to get married to Ammar and then Ammar turn a new leaf. Who cares? Don't turn. Like, I don't want that. Usko decent
And
bane, but why should this thing happen? You know, this typical movie line, a
exactly.
boy turns good because of a girl. Nahi chahiye.
Huh. And also, like, it's not like, you know, there isn't an alternative. There is an alternative. Burhan is a very good alternative. And you can actually show that somebody can escape a bad situation, which you're showing,
Yeah.
and go into a good house where they're respected, where everybody loves them and everything. It doesn't have to be that she has to get married to Bakhtiar, Builder's son, and, you know, have him as the sassur and for the cycle to continue and the dadi to be there as well. Dadi, whose acting was very good, actually. She was so in character. You know, she was broken. कि
Yeah.
बिस्मा की शादी. You know, there's that one scene where she's lying like this,
Yeah. In the end,
like,
she's not
हाँ,
saying a word. She's not even telling her, chali jao. She's just
yeah,
turned her face and just lying down. And
yeah.
जब वो बोल रही थी ना अम्मार को कि दादी को हार्ट अटैक आएगा, तो आई वाज लाइक दादी को तो नहीं आएगा, बख्तियार बिल्डर को हार्ट अटैक
Dadi,
जरूर आएगा.
Dadi got so offended
Hmm.
when, you know, in the previous episodes, when Bijan said something, या कुत्सिया said something to the effect, कि आपके बाद बिस्मा का क्या होगा?
Hmm.
She's like, huh? Like, you know, as if she's like 20 years old, कि huh? Like, how
हाँ,
can you even
तुम तो
suggest like
मेरे
I'm
मरने
I'm
का
gonna
ही
die anytime, huh?
इंतजार करती हो.
But
Yeah.
they've left it at a point where, you know, it's like,
एकदम
अब
धक धक
क्या
यार,
होगा?
धक धक हो
हाँ,
रहा
अब
है
क्या
ऐसे.
होगा? अब क्या होगा? And it doesn't come to like Saturday, so
एग्जैक्टली.
like,
इस
हाँ.
बीच में हमें रोजे भी करने हैं, नमाज भी
Exactly,
करनी
I know. Like, I want to be focusing on on ibadat and everything, and not on
है.
this. But I
But
think
yeah,
overall, a good episode. But I hope like it becomes better and better, and you know we're not like in for any stagnation or
yeah.
a downturn.
Super packed, loving Karzejaan, as usual.
हाँ, मजा आया.
मजा आया.
Coming to, मुझे तो actually मीम से मोहब्बत भी देखने में मजा आया इस week.
Yes, both episodes were good. Yeah,
हाँ.
very good.
And I
They
think मीम
didn't-
से मोहब्बत, हाँ, go on.
no, I was saying, thankfully they didn't show those neighbors in both the
Yeah,
episodes.
exactly.
तो
And
वो
I,
अच्छा
you know,
था.
um, like coming to the comments that you were addressing at the beginning of the episode,
Hmm.
you know, we had obviously asked you guys, okay, which one is your favorite, Farar, Karzejaan, or Meem Se Mohabbat? And a lot of people had said that, you know, each like हर ड्रामे में जरूरी नहीं है कोई social message हो and a deeper meaning हो और ये और वो हो. You know, we're just watching it for Talha and Roshi's chemistry and the love story. I don't think we were never saying that, you know, their love story is like, you know, बहुत ही बकवास. We were saying, okay, you're adding so many other useless characters like the neighbors and all of that you are spoiling our experience of viewing even their relationship and then how it's progressing.
Yeah,
So, you know, I enjoyed it without the neighbors. And focusing more on the two main characters.
yeah, and the immediate story around them, right? Like I
हाँ,
think both the episodes were really good. I liked. I mean, some credit to Sabika, the character, that she's trying, right? She's trying to build a relationship
हाँ.
with Mohit in whichever way. She's like, okay, you know, if I spend time with him, and come on, yeah, she makes a big effort. एक तो
मोहित कुछ लो ना, ये पिज्जा ट्राई करो, बहुत मजे का है.
इतना सारा
हाँ.
खाना एक साथ कौन खाएगा पता नहीं.
Pizza, burgers, fries,
Pizza.
chocolate shake.
Yeah, I mean, it's clearly that she doesn't
हाँ.
know what he likes, and she's really making
Yeah.
an effort. She's sitting there, and the guy is like not budging, which is okay, fine. She's a child, no offense,
Yeah.
but she's making an effort.
But
Now,
but before, like, but he's also not the easiest child to look after. I will
yeah,
say that
yeah,
in Sabika's defense.
yeah. It's not like he gets along with everyone easily, right? And he doesn't like her to begin with, so it's difficult to break that barrier.
Ha.
Now, obviously, silly of her. She should have waited for the mother to come home, or she should have called the mother and said, "मैं मोहित के साथ घर पे हूँ, मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, आप कब आएंगे?" They show some sensible responsibility. Right? We are not
Ha.
asking you to do something out of this world. Any
Exactly.
normal adult can do this. So I
Yeah.
think that was a bit. I think they could have done that better, unless you're trying to show her as completely irresponsible, which she's
Ha.
not, because she's running a business.
Yeah.
So she
Yeah.
can't be that
Unless you're trying to show this as a means कि अब ये चीज होनी है. Because the funniest was the cleaner, the pool cleaner had headphones.
Yeah. वो भी थोड़ा ठीक है यार,
I
चलो ठीक है,
हाँ.
वो अपना
And
कर रहा
such
है, वहाँ
a
फोन
हाँ.
पे लगी है.
और वो जो बाहर लगी, हाँ, सो बाहर वाली मुझे फिर भी समझ आई, वो जो एयरफोन वाला था ना, वो मुझे नहीं. But anyway, like, so but she is trying to make an effort, and like you could almost tell from the way that she was overdoing it. So
Yeah,
she's
थोड़ा.
like, what did she say कि मोहित की पसंद के मैंने पता नहीं कौन से कलर कॉम्बिनेशन और ये वैसे किया है शादी के लिए जोड़ा. Even when she does choose and then they go for
हाँ हाँ.
food and all of that stuff. So yes, but वही बात है कि that was really stupid of her to just kind of leave her with the maid and just go for. It was too convenient a thing to show
Yeah, I
for
think it
this
was
to
just
happen.
done so that he can basically break the engagement off, right? वो थोड़ा
Yeah.
मुझे odd लगा, and also after the whole conversation with her mother, where the mother's like, "You should go to amend." She went to amend or she went to fight? Because the first thing that comes out of her mouth is, "You were you
वरना जिस तरह कल एक पब्लिक प्लेस पे खड़े होके तुमने मेरी इंसल्ट की थी ना, तुम्हें अपोलोजाइज करने के लिए आना चाहिए था.
insulted me in public." And if you want
हाँ.
to amend, at least start with, "Okay, I made a mistake," and something like that.
हाँ.
Then if he's still rude to her, then she can take, like, ये तो try भी नहीं किए. And the father is telling him, like, that it's not your fault. It's a situation which can happen anytime. But I think his reaction to her is even more extreme because of Roshi, right? It's not because
Yeah.
totally of that
Yeah.
incident.
हाँ.
He's just finding a
हाँ.
reason to get out of the situation almost. It felt like.
Absolutely, unconsciously, like he's almost it's almost. I mean, just finishing on Sabika's thing, वो तो हमें उन्होंने थोड़ा सा दिखाया है कि she is impulsive and she will not, which doesn't make sense with her running a very big business and all of that. But when it comes to this, like, she is like a yo-yo. Like, one day she's in love with him, and the second day, like, she's getting really offended. Like, she doesn't even care. Like,
There's an
it
ego,
wasn't
na?
like,
The
she
ego
has
है.
an ego.
हाँ.
Okay, how could you insult me in the hospital? All of that. Like, she doesn't come and ask, okay, how is Mohit doing?
Mm.
I just wanted to
Check.
address what happened or something, and then say, okay, the way you insulted me was not right. Like, she's like, तुम्हें आना चाहिए था मेरे पास apologize करने के लिए. अरे वो medical emergency संभाल रहा था, वो कहाँ तुम्हारे पीछे आता apologize करने के लिए. But I have to say, like, Ahad's performance in these 2 episodes was amazing.
Okay.
Stand alone of like the overall story and like everything else around him. I thought, like, when he breaks down in the hospital, when he sees him, he comes out and then he stands on the side and breaks down. I
Yeah.
really like that.
Mm.
Then when he lashes out at Sabika, I'm talking about the acting. I'm not talking about like whether that reaction was justified or not.
Yeah, I understand his performance. Yeah.
Ha. And again when he speaks to her later, when he's lost to her, and those scenes where he's not being able to look Roshi in the eye.
Yeah.
I thought, like,
Yeah.
because Roshi is very pointedly when she comes across and जब उसको वो बताना शुरू करता है मोहित के बीका आंटी है वो, she looks up at him very
Hmm.
pointedly,
Hmm.
and he looks up and he's like, okay, like
Hmm.
he knows it's almost like he's being schooled.
Right.
House, pool, I ran.
एक dynamic था ना कि he's the mature one and she's making the mistakes and she's like on the back foot. In this one, like she suddenly like was the more mature one, was the older one, was the one who was controlling the situation, and he was like a child, like not making eye contact and not wanting to, didn't know what to say basically.
Hmm.
So I thought that was very interesting. Dhanani's performance was good.
Hmm.
But then I didn't understand that whole sequence where she goes and comments में बहुत लोगों ने बोला oh she's impulsive, she's like वो ego के लिए कर रही है, all that. Okay, got it. She's agreed to get engaged to this guy for whatever reason. ठीक है.
Hmm.
But it's impossible.
That you can't see the guy for
कि you can't see the guy who's
आधा
sitting
घंटा तुम
next to you.
बैठे हो उसके बाजू में और तुम्हें
माशाल्लाह,
उसको भी
हाँ.
नहीं है वो कौन है, वो तो मुझे
एंड वो बंदा भी म्यूट था, मुझे लगा कि आवाज से पहचानेगी. उसने भी पूरी रस्म हो गई, पूरी मिठाइयां खा ली, सब कुछ कर लिया, उसने किसी को ना सलाम किया, ना उसने किसी को मिठाई का थैंक यू बोला, because literally the moment he says hi Roshi or hi Ayat or whatever, and she's just like that.
I thought that was so odd. Like, I don't know, maybe we are too forward or I don't know what, but
नहीं
for
यार.
those second, even if you don't want to, you can see the person next to you.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the problem, at some time.
मतलब हाँ, अंडरस्टूड कि आपने उस दिन तक नहीं देखा. ठीक है,
हम्म.
चलो ठीक है, आपने नहीं फोटो देखी तो आपने नहीं देखी. यू वर एंटरिंग द रूम, आपने फिर भी नहीं देखा, आप उसके साथ बैठे हो. हाँ, मिठाइयाँ शेयर कर रहे हो, बाकी सबको देख रहे हो. लाइक इस तरफ का पूरा विजन है आपका और इस तरफ का भी काफी सारा विजन है, बस यही जगह ब्लॉक है आपकी कि आपने यहाँ नहीं देखना.
थोड़ा
Like
वो
I thought that was odd, and also I thought it was like Dhanani's acting was amazing when she sees that video
हम्म.
and she starts shaking.
हम्म.
Okay, but what I didn't understand was like your घर की बच्ची is sitting on the sofa and
हम्म.
she's like shaking in fear. ठीक है,
हम्म.
and everybody is looking at her and saying, like, the Popo is doing this. The Dada is like, you can't see that one person, like the guy who she's getting engaged to, is like sneering at her, or was shake कर रही है in fear.
हम्म. पता नहीं यार. And I also find that whole desperation that mother cannot, like, this mother is not questioning the son only. कि आप ये बोलो, ये बोलो, ये बोलो, मेरी शादी करा दो. I mean, maybe there are like desperate people out there who talk like this. I don't know, but I mean, it was just weird.
And I mean, what are they gonna do? Like शादी के card पे, okay, one thing that people did clarify in the comments, I think memes and Mohammed, we have learned a lot from the comments, was that Arsalan was his middle name or
तुम्हें
something.
बोला था
Shariq's
उसका
middle
नाम
name,
बताओ.
हाँ. But again, like I thought it was, the way exactly like he's like, आप मम्मी से भी आप अब्बा से भी बात कर लो, वो कुवैत से आ जाएं, मेरी कल मंगनी करा दो, परसों मेरी शादी करा दो. अरे
Yeah, I don't know now. I think, of course, now this is going to go to a point where she will go ahead with the marriage. वो होगा कुछ रस्म, आएगा वो uncle और ahad or whatever, Mohit will come, and then
I love
he
the
will-
uncle though. He's my favorite.
yeah.
हाँ.
Yes. I mean, sometimes I feel he's too calm. Sometimes it's like he's not.
I think now he's being calm because remember when he tried to interfere and Ahad was a bit like, Talha was a bit like, please keep, like, I'm an adult, I can make my own decisions.
Hmm.
I think uske baad se he's just like, okay, theek hai. He's still doing his own things,
Hmm.
like smartly, where he needs to say something, he will say. But इस episode में तो बेचारे बीमार भी काफी थे ना.
हाँ, वो भी था. और अंकल के घर में लिफ्ट भी है. मैं तो Stairs की बुलाया, lift. I mean, okay, fine, ठीक है. Let's not
हाँ,
comment.
I like them. वो पूरा गाउन पहन के आते हैं, दोनों बाप बेटा wear this gown, right?
हाँ, तो इतने बड़े घर में
And
lift
then their
वाला
chef,
काम
और जो उनका वो जो chef है वो कैसा, तो he's also an MVP in that household. देखना उसका जरूर कोई ना कोई रोल होगा, वो कुछ ना कुछ करेगा आगे जाके,
मुझे इस घर में रहना है यार, इतना अच्छा घर
है
है.
ना? If
हाँ,
this, that's a beautiful house. May Allah Mian give everybody a house like that.
alhamdulillah, inshallah.
It's Ramzan also.
But I think, I mean, I like the 2 episodes, I would say.
हाँ,
Thoda, they had more focus on the story and the 2
हाँ,
main characters and progressing their story. And I'm interested in how the next 2 episodes will be this week. I think all 3 shows were good. I mean, of course,
वो
Karzi
good,
Jan
हाँ,
always good, but
हाँ,
Farar and Meem Se Mohabbat also getting more
हाँ,
interesting.
both good. I think, but the only thing was that all 3 ended on very anxiety giving notes. So
हाँ,
usually किसी एक के बाद ना इनमें से, which is usually कर्जे जान, I'm like, चलो अच्छा है,
हाँ,
अब अगले हफ्ते देखेंगे. इस दफा I'm just like, फरार ने वहां पे उनके पीछे लोग पड़े हुए हैं, कर्जे जान में पता नहीं वो किससे शादी करने वाली है. Even मीम से मोहब्बत में I'm like, come on Talha, like stop her, do something. Like the teaser was very nice for Meem Se Mohabbat, where he confesses to her.
Oh, I didn't see the
Um,
teaser.
oh,
Oh,
okay. Okay,
it's
so he does, so the teaser was very nice
हाँ,
on that one. But again, I'm in that state of flux this week. I'm just hoping कि अगले episodes आए so I can just, focus
yeah, I
on
know, like I can breathe. This Karze Jahan is so like literally I couldn't breathe.
yeah.
इसलिए I had to see the
हाँ,
teaser. I had to see it. Hey, what is going to happen? I need to see it.
हाँ.
लेकिन कुछ
I
नहीं
hope like
हुआ.
I think next week is also going to be intense, like with all 3. I don't.
Is
I think
Karze
it's
Jahan
almost a
going
good
to
thing.
end on Eid? Is that what they're trying to do?
I think there's still some time to go. I wouldn't think there's only 6 more episodes. I think there'd be like 8-ish. But if there are 6 more episodes, then it could end around Eid.
Well, better they end on a high note, huh? On Eid.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah, I know.
बहुत ये
Eid
होगा.
पे depressive होने की like वो
I don't want
नहीं
to
है.
see a Tanman Neel O'Neill ending on Eid. That is
Baba, no,
not
I hope not. I don't think they will do that.
yeah.
Yeah. Like this made me realize that we shouldn't be watching any more dramas in Ramzan, because initially we were gonna do Dil Wali Gali as well.
Yeah.
I think this is
There's
too
too much
much.
happening. Exactly.
Exactly. Okay, on that note, thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. Please keep commenting. We do read the comments. And we do,
But we love
see
them.
your point.
We love the comments.
Uh-huh. And then people take so much effort as well. They write like detailed, meaningful comments.
Yeah.
So thank you for that, and please keep doing that. That's a big motivation for us to keep doing what we are doing as well.
Amazing. Thank you so much, and have a lovely rest of the week. And we'll see you again next week.
Take care. Bye.
Okay.